guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have our kit of the month. This is June. This is a June kit of the month. It is a little bit late, but not a bit, well, almost done my stuff with that. So, but let's go ahead and crack our box open and see what we got. So yes, June kit of the month. They're a little late because, well, it's just multiple reasons, because you know, they don't make JR Models, they don't only make just the kit. They have to have other companies make, you know, other stuff such as the decals and the box and stuff. And speaking of box, we got another Richard Petty. Look at this beauty. We got a 1974 Daytona 500 winner. This is insane. This is a Charger kit, I believe. And yeah, this is insanely cool. So let's go ahead and get this out of the box. And we do have our goodies and stuff. So let's go ahead and go through these. So first things first, we do have our sticker. And there is our sticker. So we JR Models 5 anniversary. So 5 years they have been doing the Builders Cup, I believe, and this is pretty cool. So I've been in it for a year and 2 months. So that's pretty cool. But it's a really good video, guys. I mean, this is insanely cool, and they're such amazing people. So we got some decals, and look at that. So look at that. Oh, this is a pretty neat one. This is pretty cool. So 1972. I think I know what this card this is. I think this is for the Oldsmobile. I'm gonna take a wild guess. I'm not really sure, but this was like an Oldsmobile. I'm not sure, but again, picture on your screen for the car. So this is pretty cool. Really neat. I might build this one. I'm not sure. I think I have an Oldsmobile kit in my stash. But insanely cool. So got that one, and then a next gen car. I saw the next gen decals, which is a Camaro, and it is the Kyle Larson. What year is this? This is, I'm gonna assume 2024. I think this is 2024. Could be 2024 because I don't see the 75 year anniversary, because 75 year anniversary was 2022 or no 2023. So I think this is a 2024 Valvoline NASCAR from Kyle Larson. I believe this is a winning car for a world course from Kyle Larson back in the day. So this is pretty cool. So we got another Kyle Larson Valvoline car. Pretty neat. Really cool. So sweet. So we got 2 decals this month. Pretty neat. And let's go ahead and go back to the Charger kit. This is insanely cool. Kit's heavy, and this gives you these kits are always packed to the rim. These are heavy kits, so you are getting your money's worth of this kit. And don't worry, we will be opening it up and Builders Club. There we go. And then these are some of the kits they had recently. Of course, this is the kit. We had to line the tire throwback scheme. Then we got SVG Red Bull. I got that kit, and of course we got the new Joey Logano Dark Horse Mustang. So look at cool. Let's go ahead and crack this open. Let's crack it open, see what we're working with. This should be pretty neat. And I think this is, what is this? The 3rd Charger kit from Richard Petty we got in, you know, within the next few months from each other. So pretty neat. So of course it's gonna come molded in the famous Richard Petty blue. Petty blue they call it, and this is pretty neat. We all seen this. Pretty neat. Love how the four doors separate. I'm not sure on this race. No, this is the Daytona 500. But that's pretty cool. That is molded separate. And then there's a black spot on there. Oh no, it's dust. But pretty neat. Again, this kit was designed by Jim, Salvinos JR Models. So this was not a Automotive kit. Then of course we have our tires, clear parts. Pretty neat, and just a bunch of Petty blue stuff. The interior is again Petty blue, so we don't want to paint this. You don't have to. I mean, it's a really pretty simplified kit. I mean, there's some things you do have to paint, of course. Your aluminum parts. We can see you are going to paint and stuff. And then our chrome bits and pieces. This is pretty cool. I believe this is, oh yeah, this is a high quality chrome. We all know this is their insanely chrome. This is their, I think we take a magnet to it. Oh yeah, no, it kind of sticks, but yeah, there you go. that's chrome. That's real chrome right there. Now I did hear that they do lose, or California, they can't make chrome anymore for some reason. So I'm not sure how much longer that is going to be. I'm not sure it's going to continue on this kit, but we do have the, well, I at least have the real chrome right here. So this is pretty cool. But people like the real chrome. Some people don't, but I like it because it's real chrome. It looks so nice, but really neat. So I got the real stuff, so I'm actually pretty happy with that. And then let's go ahead and go through the instructions, or not really instructions, but we all seen the instructions before. These are just nice high quality. Are they still using the map style? No, this is the book style. Okay. So I do like the book style better than the map style. It's just my opinion. Book style is much easier to follow and stuff. And then there is your decal placement. So I'm assuming you don't paint the car two-tone, you just basically leave it in the blue. So that's that. And then let's go ahead and wow, that in person, this like orangish, just what color? What would you call that color? That thing is insanely poppy. Holy cow, that's like, you can really see that a mile away. That's insane. So yeah, you obviously just don't paint anything else except the blue if you want to paint it. But this is your entire trim. Of course, your 43 to go over there. Hood pins, if you want to use those. Decals, you can use, obviously if you can put the ones. There's your gauge clusters. This is insanely nice. Here, of course, your Goodyear decals for your tires. I'm not sure, isn't Goodyear Eagles on there? There should be Eagles on there, but I guess it must not use Eagles back in the day. But pretty cool. Yeah, this is an insane decal sheet. Really awesome job, Clay. This is a fantastic decal sheet. Clay Clamp is always a person that designs decals for Power Slide and for Salvinos JR Models. So really neat. This is an awesome kit. If you're a Richard Petty fan, of course, we got another one for you guys. I gotta build one of these charger kits. I got 3 of them in my stash from Richard Petty for a charger. I got more actually, but I still gotta build one. So not sure which one I'll build, but this is a Daytona 500 winning car, so this is insanely cool. Just too cool. But alright guys, go out and pick this kit up if you are interested. This is a really neat kit. I believe it's going to be available to the stores here in a little bit. So pick one up or go to salvinosjrmodels.com and pick one up yourself over there. But really awesome kit. I love it. But alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and until next video, we'll catch us next time.